Presenting Smartivity Clickety-Flicks Retroscope Construction Activity Toy with STEM Learning. This is a do-it-yourself activity toy for boys and girls of age 8 to 14 years. The box packaging dimensions are 21 cm by 21 cm by 21 cm and it weighs 950 grams. This product consists of 99 puzzle pieces. The Clickety-Flicks Retroscope Construction Activity Toy does not require glue or tools and takes approximately 2.5 hours to assemble and construct effortlessly. Constructing Clickety-Flicks Retroscope Activity Toy improves your child's persistence of vision, gaze, momentum transfer, hand-to-eye coordination, problem-solving skills, and inspires creativity. This STEM educational construction activity toy introduces your child to the fundamentals of movie making by encouraging them to build a movie making machine from scratch. This product is made of imported premium pine wood, which is sustainable and has no splinters, thus making it safe for children. The DIY toy does not require any battery. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.